Top 5 Best Hole Saw Set. Number 5. Greenlee 660 Hole Saw Kit. Greenlee is a trusted name in the electrical and utility industry, and their 660 hole saw kit is designed with professionals in mind. This kit offers a comprehensive selection of hole saw sizes suitable for electrical work, plumbing, and other applications. The hole saws are made from high-speed steel, ensuring they can cut through a variety of materials. What sets the Greenlee 660 hole saw kit apart is its ability to cut through stainless steel, making it a preferred choice for electricians and plumbers. The kit includes an arbor and a pilot drill, providing all the necessary components for efficient cutting. The durable plastic case keeps your tools organized and protected. Coming in number 4. Diablo DHS14 SGP Hole Saw Kit. Diablo, a subsidiary of Freud Tools, is known for its high-quality cutting tools. The Diablo DHS14 SGP Hole Saw Kit is an excellent choice for those looking for precision and performance. This kit includes a range of hole saw sizes and a snap-lock mandrel system for easy and quick changes. One of the unique features of this kit is the variable tooth technology, which provides faster cuts and increased durability. The carbide teeth are designed for extended use and can cut through a wide range of materials, including wood, metal, and plastics. The included storage case keeps everything organized and easy to transport. Coming in number 3. DEWALT Hole Saw Kit. DEWALT is a well-respected brand known for its reliable and durable tools. The DEWALT Hole Saw Kit is no exception, delivering top-notch performance for cutting holes in various materials. This kit comes with an array of hole saw sizes and a quick change arbor, making it suitable for both professionals and DIYers. The hole saws in this kit feature a deep cut design for efficient and clean cuts. The teeth are also made from high-speed steel for extended durability. With the threaded lock system, you can securely attach the hole saw to the arbor, ensuring stability during cutting. Coming in number 2. Milwaukee Hardened Hole Saw Kit. Milwaukee is another trusted name in the world of tools, and their Hardened Hole Saw Kit is no exception. This kit offers excellent durability, making it suitable for heavy-duty use. The included hole saws are made from bimetal and have hardened teeth, ensuring they can handle tough materials with ease. The kit contains a variety of hole saw sizes, making it versatile for different projects. Milwaukee has also incorporated a quick change arbor for easy and efficient hole saw changes. The arbor features a 1-inch through hole for easy removal of the cut material. With the Milwaukee Hardened Hole Saw Kit, you can expect precision cutting and long-lasting performance. Coming in number 1. LENOX Tools Hole Saw Kit. The LENOX Tools Hole Saw Kit is a top-notch choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. LENOX has a reputation for producing high-quality cutting tools, and this hole saw kit lives up to that legacy. It includes a wide range of hole saw sizes, making it versatile for various applications. One of the standout features of this kit is the speed slot design. This design allows for easy plug removal and faster cutting. You'll appreciate the reduced cutting forces, which result in less heat buildup and longer-lasting cutting performance. The kit also comes with an arbor and pilot bit, ensuring you have everything you need to get started.